In this video, I'm going to show you how to use NovaBot on GMGN. So the first thing you will need is a GMGN account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 30% discount on all trading fees forever on GMGN, so make sure you check that out. Now from here, what you want to do, of course, when you have your account, you want to open up a new tab, and you want to type in click.tradeonnova.io, which is basically the website of the official Nova bot. So from here, you want to first click download for Chrome, which will open up the Chrome Web Store, and from here, you will have to click add to Chrome, so just this blue button, and then click on add extension. This will add the NovaBot extension. As you can see, it will say NovaBot has been added to Chrome. And from here, what you will have to do is basically close this down. And then inside the NovaBot, as you can see on the same website, you can just click Connect Telegram. And from here, you can then start a bot or open in web. So if you have the app for basically Telegram, you can click on that if you have it installed on your computer. But if you don't, you can use the web version just like me. So just click Open in Web. And that's it. As you can see, in a few seconds, there we go, it will open up this. And what you then want to do over here is click Launch Nova Click and then Open Link. And from here, this will connect for you over here on the website. As you can see, it says success. You are now connected to Nova Click. So click Got It and go back to Telegram. And then in here, you can then hover over this menu and click on Menu. And you'll be able to see the menu. So the first thing you want to do here is click on Settings and then on Nova Click. And make sure this Use Panel Settings button is green. If it's red like this, you want to click on it and make it green so things will work, okay? Like this, there we go. From here, you can then go to GMGN, and over here, you have the extension, so you just want to click on this puzzle icon and pin your Nova extension so you can access it easier. And you then want to click on it and enable it by clicking on it, and as you can see, the GMGN website will basically refresh. These are all the presets you can set over here if you want to. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not going to show you how to do this. You can do this according to your own needs and desires. And after that, you can just go to any coin over here. Let me just open up a random one, and as you can see, this Nova extension will pop up, and then you can start using it on GMGN. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.